Hello students, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. This is a question from JEE Mains 2026, 21st January, second shift. So this question is based on coordination compounds here. A crystal field stabilization energy of CrH2O 6 times 2 plus is greater than that of MnH2O 6 2 plus. Potassium ferricyanide has a greater spin, only magnetic moment than sodium ferrocyanide. So sodium ferrocyanide. Okay, now one by one we'll just go for it here. So CFSE of CrH2O6. Okay, so let me write it. CrH2O 6 times 2 plus. And one more is there, that is MnH2O 6 times 2 plus. Okay, now here also 6 monodentate ligand is there, 6 monodentate ligand is there. That means it understood that it is going to undergo octahedral crystal field splitting. Okay, so we know very well that in octahedral, what will happen? A lower energy will be the t₂g and higher energy will be the Eg. So based on this, they are asking what is that? A crystal field stabilization energy. So we know the formula that crystal field stabilization energy CFSE is equals to minus 0.4 delta naught into number of electrons in t₂g orbital, okay, plus 1. Okay, I'm sorry, what we can do here means, so it will be, yeah, plus 0.6 into number of electrons in the Eg orbital. Okay, this is a plus. Now this is a formula, and we know very well that H₂O is a weak field ligand, H₂O is a weak field ligand. In both the cases, what happened? H₂O is a weak field ligand. Now, if you identify the oxidation state of both the cases, so Cr is coming in the +2 oxidation state, and Mn is also coming in the +2 oxidation state. If it is in Cr is in the +2 oxidation state, means that means it is in the d4 configuration, and Mn2 plus means 4s2 electrons will go, so it will be coming in the d5 oxidation state. Now what will happen if you arrange these electrons in the t₂g first and Eg means, then since H₂O is a weak field ligand, so we will be getting t₂g3 Eg1. Next, t₂g3 Eg2, because so 3 plus 1 4 electrons, it's a d4 configuration. 3 plus 2 is a 5 electrons, it's a d5 configuration here. Okay, now for this formula, t₂g has 3 electrons. If you substitute over here, that means minus 0.4 into 3, and Eg value is how much? 1. So 0.6 into 1. If you substitute it, so you will be getting a crystal field stabilization energy. Okay, the value will be how much? Means minus 0.6 delta naught. Now for t₂g, if you substitute 3, and for Eg, if you substitute 2 here, if you calculate, then crystal field stabilization energy, you will be getting a 0. Okay, so one is minus 0.6 delta naught, another one is a 0. With respect to magnitude, 0.6 is greater. That means that crystal field splitting energy or stabilization energy of CrH2 was 6 times 2 plus is greater than MnH2O 6 times 2 plus. I hope you understood here. So that means that a statement 1 is correct. So statement 1 is correct. So in the option 1 will be, it will be eliminated. Option 2 is also eliminated. Now we need to check the statement 2 is correct or wrong here. Potassium ferricyanide has a greater spin only magnetic moment than sodium ferrocyanide. Okay, so we know very well that, see, if you don't know the formula means, so ferro, okay, and ferric, they have specifically mentioned ferri. Ferri means what will happen here? Okay, ferric, no, plus 3 oxidation state. Ferro means what is the oxidation state? Plus 2 oxidation state. So if you want, I mean, if you need a formula of potassium ferricyanide means, then the formula will be K3FeCN 6 times. Okay, and its oxidation state will be Fe3 plus or plus 3. Fe3 plus or the plus 3. Now, one more is sodium ferrocyanide. As I told you, ferro means plus 2 oxidation state. So Na4 FeCN 6 times. So oxidation state will be the Fe2 plus. Since Cn is a strong field ligand, so strong field ligand, Cn is a strong field ligand. It will start pairing up. It will start pairing up. Once it start pairing up, what will happen here? Okay, the number of unpaired electrons, what we are going to get for the Fe3 plus will be the 1. The number of unpaired electrons after pairing up, okay, there will be no unpaired electrons, because see here, Fe, that is argon 3d6 4s2. If it is Fe2 plus, so argon, you'll get 3d6, okay, d6 configuration 4s0. If it is Fe3 plus argon, you'll get 3d5. So here we are getting even. Even means it will pair up. No unpaired electrons. Since it is a strong field ligand, strong field ligand. D5 is an odd. It will pair up, but you will get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 unpaired electron. Write it. 1 unpaired electrons. So where is the 1 unpaired electron here? Yes, here is an unpaired electron here. Fe3 plus, Fe3 plus. So that means if you find unpaired electrons or number of unpaired electrons increases, automatically paramagnetic character increases. That means spin only magnetic momentum is also increases. So among K3 FeCN6 and Na4 FeCN6, K3 FeCN6 is having a higher spin magnetic momentum. What the statement they have given, that is 100% correct. So that means, so option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you so much, students.